School Academy, Part 4. We find out. Where are those kids? It's not like they went off campus or something. They have to be here by now. What if they're not here? Maybe they did leave campus. That would be just a major... Hi, where were you? I was getting a drink. What do you think I was? See, put a drink in my hand. Go sit down. Okay. Now what? Where's the paper? You finished them. Oh yeah, they're... Where's the other girls? They're out getting them Pokemon Cheetos. Pokemon Cheeto orange or one? Pokemon Chip. Both. Goya's getting orange and Operetta is getting purple. I can't understand you. Operetta's not here. Probably saying, where's our math papers? We'll ask Operetta when we get back. She gets back. She's probably gonna be back soon. She's gonna have to. You can't skip school, you know. So. Operetta should be here now. She's saying, where's my math papers? See? Where's my math papers? So you all went out just to get drinks? Wowzers. Well, when you were getting those drinks, I was videotaping them with the principal. And he said we're having another new student. And our first new student is coming today, tomorrow. And so unfortunately, you know how I told everyone there was a surprise? Yeah. She said yeah, and yeah. I lost the surprise though. No surprise. But since I lost it, I would make it up to you and buy you all nothing. Oh, come on, that's just plain mean. What? But life just stinks when that thing just fell down. When that thing falls down, life stinks. That looks so good. Why is it when it falls down? Oh, the security can't see us. Yeah, first they can't see us. Right. I'm probably spinning something out there. Probably playing drop something in the spinner. See if it pops on. Sometimes when we pop something in the spinner, always fun. Yep. What was that? Oh, yeah. The class is dismissed. Yeah, the class is dismissed. Finally. She said I have class. Let's just go to the dorm. Rinky's probably waiting right now. Just got back from the history of my dad. Just going to stay having. Hey guys, I'm here. Come on, Jack. Hey, you got me a drink too? No. Why would I get you a drink? Because I'm your best friend. So just go wait out there for me. Okay. You should have got me a drink. I knew. Gotta go. Okay, Leah, see you in a bit. She said, okay. See you too, Operetta. Girls, you better be on your way. We have this class again. Another class, girl. Sure. No, you don't. It's time to leave. Rock, you are a free guy. Rock, free guy sometimes. Oh, just so you know, her real name is Jackie Lily. I forgot my pet. Yeah, go wait out there. He'll come to you. I'll go wait out there. He'll come to me. He's gonna come to me. I hope he does. He should. He loves me. Out the door. Yes. That thing comes down a lot. Wow. Security? Wow. Comes down a lot. Oh. Security, you're right. That comes down a lot. Yeah, that's what you just said, right? Come on, Snuggles, we can't be late. Ew, Snuggles. 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 Were you farting, Snuggles? Okay, girls, you're gonna have to go now. Yeah, we know. She said, we know. We're going in a minute. Gotta go. She said gotta go too. I gotta go. Didn't you just see that like 2 times now? I better pack up so I can go to the next school. Yeah. Back up. Beep, beep. Thank you, magic card. Yep. Ew, life is funny. Yeah, I know, life is funny. Life is funny. Buzz Wuzzies. Yeah, Buzz Wuzzies. Let's go to our door. I agree. Attention, all dormers, you may go to sleep. Put your drink down. I'm going to the whole day. Because I hate you. Okay, good night. Good night. School Academy. Right before. Miss